What's your favorite color, Marian?
Lahat.
Anything in particular?
Wala eh. Favorite ko lahat ng colors.
What's your favorite food?
Filipino and Spanish food.
What's your favorite time of the day?
Time of the day? Ay, hirap yan ha. Siguro sa gabi kasi yung time na mag-rest ka after all.
Maria, what's your favorite part of your body?
Favorite? Face.
Yes, ito naman.
Face.
Motto in life.
Motto in life? Natawa na ako sa mga question. Talaga napapaisip ako. Motto ko sa buhay, i-enjoy mo ang buhay hanggang kaya mo kasi ang buhay ay sandali lang. Kailangan enjoy to the fullest.
What's your favorite animal?
Animal? Lion.
Bakit?
Rawr! Bakit ba lion? Liyo ako eh. Siguro para at least ako yung nagsisimbolo nun kasi zodiac sign ko yan.
Okay.
Ayan, ano pang ginagawa nyo? Palagi nyo bisitahin ang darlasoler.com. Pak! Bongga si Darla!